Hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss integration by using trigonometric identities. Are you ready? Okay, let us start. Integral of cos 2x cos 4x into cos 6x dx. How we can do this? Let us see. First, we should take this cos 2x and cos 4x together. 2x plus 4x means that is 6x. Okay, here also this cos 6x is there. So you should leave the cos 6x and you should take these two. So we can integrate 2 cos 2x into cos 4x. Take together and then cos 6x dx. Okay. Then we should multiply and divide by using 2. We should multiply and divide with the 2. So 1 by 2 in the integral of 2 cos 2x into cos 4x. What is 2 cos A? 2 cos A cos B. That is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay. Then we should use this identity there. Then we can write here 1 by 2 into integral of 2 cos 2x into cos 4x. Here this 2x means that is A and 4x means that is B. Okay. Then we should write there 2 cos 2x into cos 4x, that is 2 cos 2x into cos 4x, that is cos of A plus B. A plus B means 2x plus 4x, that is 6x, plus cos of A minus B. A minus B means 2x minus 4x, that is minus 2x. Cos of minus 2x is equal to cos 2x, correct? Then we should write here cos 2x. Then into cos 6x dx. Understood? 2 cos 2x cos 4x. We should apply this identity. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. A plus B means 2x plus 4x, that is 6x. Then A minus B means that is 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 2x. Cos of minus 2x means that is cos 2x. Then cos 6x plus cos 2x into cos 6x dx. Then we should open the bracket. That is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of cos square 6x integral of 1 by 2 into integral of cos square 6x plus cos 2x into cos 6x dx. Okay, understood? Okay. Then next step 1 by 2 into integral of cos square 6x dx plus 1 by 2 into integral of cos 2x cos 6x dx. Understood? Then in this case again we use that identity. So we should write here 1 by 2 into 2, that is 1 by 4. So we should write here 1 by 4 into 2 cos 2x cos 6x dx. Am I correct? Okay. A, that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of cos square 6x dx. Cos square 6x dx means we should use the formula cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Understood? Cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2A by 2. We can apply that identity here. So instead of A, we should write here 6x. Then 1 plus cos 2 into 6, that is 12x divided by 2 plus 1 by 4 into integral of cos 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B. Cos A plus B means cos 8x plus cos A minus B means cos of minus 4x. Cos of minus 4x means that is cos 4x dx. Okay. This 1 by 2 into 2 means that is 1 by 4. We should take this 2 outside. Then we can write here 1 by 4 into integral of dx plus integral of cos 2x, cos 12x, cos 2x not cos 12x dx. Here also 1 by 4 is common to both of these. So we should take this 1 by 4 also outside. Then we can write there plus integral of cos 8x dx plus integral of cos 4x dx. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 4 into integral of dx means that is correct x plus what about the integral of cos 12x dx? Cos 12x dx means sin 12x divided by 12 plus cos 8x dx means okay correct sin 8x by 8 plus cos 4x dx means correct sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. Okay, integral of dx means that is x, cos 12x means sin 12x by 2, cos 8x means sin 8x by 2 plus cos 4x means sin 4x by 4 plus c. Okay. Then we can see next problem. Integral of sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Okay. Then sin cube x, we can split the sin cube x as sin square x into sin x. Then we should write the cos cube x dx. Okay. Then sin square x means that is 1 minus cos square x. So we should write here 1 minus cos square x into then cos cube x then sin x dx. Okay. Then we should open the bracket. Then we will get integral of cos cube x minus cos raised to 5x then into sin x dx. Then we can give the substitution there. Cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to t. Then minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. So here only sin x dx is there. So sin x dx is equal to that is minus dt. Understood? Okay. Then instead of this cos cube x we should write there t cube minus then t raised to 5 then sin x dx means that is minus dt. Okay. Then we can open the integrals, that is integral of t cube dt minus integral of t raised to 5 dt. Okay. That is equal to minus of t cube means that is t raised to 4 by 4 minus t raised to 5 means t raised to 6 by 6 plus c. Okay, then we can resubstitute t, that is cos x. So we can write here minus cos raised to 4x by 4 plus cos raised to 6x by 6 plus c. Okay, we can write this as cos raised to 6x by 6 minus cos raised to 4x by 4 plus c. Okay students, study up to here. The remaining problem we will see in the next class. Okay, bye.